Hi everyone, this is Jessica from My Mother's Crafts, designing for 12 by 12 cardstock shop. And today I'll be working on this Easter egg treat box. Before I start assembling, I'm going to organize my pieces. You should have two different sized eggs. The smaller egg is going to be the bottom half of the box and the larger egg is going to be the top. You're going to need the larger strips for the bottom piece and the smaller strips for the top. I'm going to start by assembling the bottom half of my box, and I'm just going to fold over all the strips before I start gluing them down. I'll be using my Barely Arts glue to glue down the strips to my egg. This is the part that's going to require a little bit of patience. I'm only going to glue down a couple of strips at a time to make sure that my strips are aligning perfectly around the egg. Be sure to check out the description of this video on information on how you can get access to this file. We're going to repeat the same steps for the top. Next, I'll be using my Barely Arts glue to glue the decorative pieces to the top of my lid. And to finish it off, I'll be using some of the shredded paper and adding a few treats to finish off the box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the description of this video for more information on how you can recreate this project.